Hi there, we're still working on addition of polynomials, but in this set, they're actually written vertically. It's not really any different than when they're written horizontally. In fact, it's a little more organized. Usually when you see it, it'll have instructions at the top saying add the polynomials, because 90% of the time they don't write in the plus sign out front. That's just the way math textbooks do it. All right, so 2y and 5y, 7y, plus minus 4 and plus 9 is 5z. That's it. Isn't that cool? It's as simple as that. I think it's almost simpler than the horizontal because you don't have to worry about them being in order. Okay, turn off the video. Do this column. If you're feeling comfortable, do the other column too. But do it and then double check that your answers are okay. So turn off. Okay, I trust that you did. 2z and 3z is 5z. Plus 3 and minus 5 is minus 2. So pay attention. Even though the questions say we're adding, sometimes because of sign numbers, you're subtracting. Just accept that as part of math. Okay, so 5b and minus 4b is going to be b, and minus 1 and plus 2 is plus 1. If you want to put the 1 there, enjoy. If you don't, it's fine. 2a plus another a gives me 3a, and b and plus minus b gives me nothing. So that would be my answer. If you want to put that, that's fine. It doesn't matter. All right, 8m squared minus 8m squared, well, that's going to go to 0. And minus 7n and plus, oh, okay, so there's my answer. It's 0. Everything canceled out. If you want to write, okay, that's fine. If it makes you happy, you go for it. All right, look, ooh, it's a trinomial. 5a squared and 2a squared gives me 7a squared. Now, negative 4 and positive 2, they're both ab's, so it's going to negative 2ab. Minus 3 and minus 5 is going to be minus 8b squared. And there we go. See, the stuff that looks so scary for so long, once you know the rules and you've practiced a bit and you've seen the videos and guided practice, math is not that scary. You have to trust yourself. It's going to be okay. 7r and 9r is 16r. Ooh, minus 3s plus 3s. Okay, that's going to cancel out. That's going to 0. I'm not going to write that, but I could put plus 0s if you wanted to. Minus 6t. To the other side. All right, 2b minus 6b minus 4b minus 2c minus 3c. So that's 2 negatives. Now, careful, we're adding. So this is like 2 blue bingo chips and 3 blue bingo chips. It's going to give me 5 blue bingo chips. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, watch the video on integers and you will see. Now, this guy, there's nothing to add with him. You just bring him along. There you go. Okay, so whether it's on the top or on the bottom, if there's a term where there's nothing matching with it, just bring it along. That's fine. And don't get freaked out when they get longer like this. This just means you go 9 plus 3 is 12, minus 15, should be minus 3m, and 8 minus 5 is 3, plus 2 is going to give me plus 5r. I don't know, my brain just said, you're wrong, Joanne, you're wrong. So let's see. 8 minus 5 plus 2. Oh, that's fine. I'm okay. I'm okay, you're okay. It's a good day for math. 2x squared and that, oh, let's put a 1 in there. 2x squared and another x squared is 3, minus 5 is going to be minus 2x squared. Minus 3 plus 2 is going to be minus 1 plus 5. It's going to be plus 4xy. Oh, look at this, tricky. Look, 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 look. I didn't even notice that. See that? That is someone trying to trick you. These two are like terms. So 5 minus 3, or 5 plus negative 3, is going to be plus 2y squared minus 3. The reason we couldn't put this guy in there is because there's no squared y squared behind him. I think it was probably a typo. It's probably supposed to match, but it didn't. So you can't put them together. Right, 3 plus 1 more is 4. Minus 4 is going to give me 0x. Uh-oh, I'm thinking something here. Minus 2 and minus 3 is minus 5. Plus 5 is going to give me plus 0y. And 7 minus 4 minus 3. Okay, 7 minus 4 is 3 minus 3. Or just 0. Again, I'd probably write that one, but this one's completely right too. This question looks really simple, but pay attention because those are the ones that trip us up. X and another x is 2x. Now this is y minus y, so there's nothing. Again, if you want, put this part optional. It's up to you whether you put it there if it makes you happy. All right, take a look at that last one. Did it catch you? Because it's a sneaky question. Because if you pay attention, look, there's your set of like terms. There is only one 4c squared, so 4c squared. Then we've got minus 6 and minus 3, so minus 9cd plus 5c squared. That was a tricky question. That's one that I would throw in to see if I can, mess up the top students, get them to pay closer attention. And you are on your way to becoming one of those top students, so glad you caught it. Have a great day.